Hello student, very good morning. Today in our fourth lecture we are going to discuss about oxidation and reduction. This is not a new term for you. You already studied oxidation and reduction in a lower standard. But as far as the metallurgy is concerned, we are mainly interested in oxidation and reduction of a metal. So without wasting time, let's get started. You have already studied how metals are extracted from their ore by the process of reduction. You know the non-metals are generally available in a combined state in their reduced form. Hence, non-metals are isolated or extracted by oxidizing their compound. For example, chlorine is oxidizing from brine solution. Since oxidation cannot be carried out by normal chemical methods, chlorine is extracted by electrolysis. Thus, chemical reaction corresponding to the electrolysis is shown here. The delta G naught for this reaction is plus 422 kilojoule. The minimum potential difference needed for oxidation E naught cell is equal to minus 2.2 volt. Due to overvoltage, the electrolysis process require an external EMF greater than 2.2 volt. Chlorine gas liberated at the cathode and hydrogen and sodium hydroxide are a byproduct. The electrolysis of a molten NaCl also produces the chlorine gas at anode and sodium metal is deposited at a cathode. So, as you can see from the diagram, from one simple method we can get many kind of chemicals. Let us now see how metal are extracted by both oxidation and reduction. You have already studied that of gold and silver are extracted by leaching their ore by cyanide ions. During the leaching process, silver or gold are treated with a sodium or potassium cyanide in the presence of air to form the respected soluble complexes. In the process, silver is oxidized to silver ion and gold is converted into gold plus 1 ion. The next step is recovery of a metal from their respective complexes by reduction or displacement using zinc. In this process, zinc acts as a reducing agent, means it oxidizes silver and gold ion to silver and gold metal. Okay, fine. That's all about oxidation and reduction. That's all about from my side. As you are already knowing that you need to go line by line from NCERT. You should underline a technical terms and should be remember. If you have still any doubts in a technical terms or a definition or in any kind of procedure, you are free to ask any doubt at any time. You may click a photo and send it via WhatsApp, or you may directly contact to me via telephonic. So, thank you so much. And yes, you are supposed to send a homework to me. Go line by line through NCERT. Write down each and every term, each and every theory that we discussed today. That is about oxidation and reduction. You have just a 1.5 pages. So complete it and send it to me. Thank you so much.